In this course, we are going to learn SQL from the beginning. We will not just memorize SQL syntax. Instead, we will start with simple data problems, identify what we need from the database, and then gradually convert those requirements into SQL queries. Throughout the course, we will use one online store database. This means the same customers, categories, products, orders, and order items data will continue with us as we learn new concepts. Before we begin, there are three terms we should separate. SQL is the language we use to communicate with a relational database. PostgreSQL is the database management system that stores and manages our data. And pgAdmin is the graphical application we will use to connect to PostgreSQL and run our queries. If PostgreSQL and pgAdmin are not installed on your computer yet, I have a separate step-by-step installation video. You can find that video using the link in the description. Once PostgreSQL and pgAdmin are installed, we are ready to begin. In our next video, we shall learn how to create our online store database.